Selly Automotive is becoming one of the fastest growing automotive CRMs in the United States and Canada, and I'll show you why. Let's get started on our main dashboard. You could easily add a user, safely delete a user, view tutorial videos, or view the Selly Help Center with tons of articles and guides. We'll also give you the ability to chat in real time with one of our support agents during normal business hours. Let's jump into the daily checklist. This is where you, as the salesperson or the manager, is going to view all of your tasks and appointments for the day. Now let's jump into the Clients module. This is your hub. Here you'll see that all of your clients and internet leads appear in this module. Here's John Lee. He's an untouched internet lead. That's why he appears green. A lead becomes touched once a salesperson or manager reaches out to them. Next, we'll go over to Martin Stewart, who's a client we're already working on, and I'll show you what his profile looks like. At the top, you'll see filters which allow you to filter your customer list to choose a sales rep, date range, lead source, and really drill down to a specific list of clients. You'll also see that it's really easy for clients or for salespeople to add comments about the customer. And we'll jump into vehicles and deals. Here we have information about the vehicle of interest, the deal, and quick quote capacity, where you can easily show a quick finance payment or a buy here, pay here payment. Now we'll jump into client history. Client history allows you to see the full paper trail of all the interactions with your customer. So you can view recorded phone calls, emails, any interaction that this customer has had with your sales team. Now we're going to jump into our inventory module. We get inventory feed from your DMS system or your website, and it's updated daily. With some integrated DMS systems, it's updated in real time. This allows you to associate fresh inventory with customers. We're going to click on an example vehicle, this Audi Q3, and you'll see you have the ability to pull up a vehicle history report, share on social. We have a market value tool and the ability to add a vehicle to a customer. The inventory module also has filter options like viewing the most popular vehicle on the lot based on lead inquiries. In the Appointments module, you'll see an appointment for Candy, and you'll see that her appointment is confirmed, and you'll also see the calendar view, which shows all previous and future appointments. And if I'm in the manager's view, I can see all of the clients that have appointments with my sales team. If I'm in a salesperson's view, I'm only going to see my own, and it's easy to toggle statuses for an appointment if someone cancels or if they're a no-show. Now let's jump into the Analytics module. We're going to start with our Internet Lead Analytics and Attribution dashboard. This view calculates what your ROI is on your marketing spend for your internet leads and other advertising sources. You'll see total leads, your average lead spend per provider, your average sales cycle length, amongst other useful KPIs. In General Analytics, you can view KPIs for your team, like data on your deal stage breakdown, how your salespeople are performing, their communication activity, amongst other reporting. Now let's jump into the Lead Management module. Right now, I'm in the manager's view for lead management, so you'll be able to assign leads, set up auto reassign, and round-robin rules. If you want, for example, just one sales rep to manage a single internet lead provider, like the Cars.com account, you can set it up here. You can also set multiple email autoresponders, for instance, one for a true car lead and another for a subprime credit lead. Now we're going to go into the Task Management module. You can see all of the tasks for your team in the manager's view, similar to appointments. And again, if you're in the salesperson's view, you would see just your own tasks. I also have the ability to assign one-off tasks, or I could see tasks that are assigned by the work plan. And just like that, I can toggle through different sales rep tasks, see what they're doing and whether they've completed or missed those tasks. During our onboard process, we'll take your dealership's workflow and put it into your customized work plan. The work plan basically allows you to set your follow-up system for your dealership. For instance, what happens in the first 24 hours when you receive an internet lead? You have the ability to set up as many customized workflows as your heart desires, and we can also help you out with some presets of our own. The work plan drip can be timed by minutes, hours, or days. We also have a portion of the work plan called Special Events that you could set up date-driven campaigns like a birthday email to customers or a 4th of July sale. Now that we're in our email module, Selly comes preloaded with tons of templates. whether it's happy birthday or other holiday templates. We also make it super easy to configure your own custom HTML emails as well. Setting up email in Selly is a breeze. If you have Gmail or Google Business, it's a one-click sign-on to set up your email account in Selly. So we're in the communication module of Selly. You can manage all of your calls and text messages here. There are different options to set up who at your dealership could see the text messages as well as respond. Our texting module manages opt-ins and opt-outs and gives dealership management transparency into what is being communicated to customers. In Selly, there are also texting templates, so you could have professionally pre-written templates for common use cases. These templates can also be used for our smart auto texting functionality. Think of auto text as set it and forget it texting template responders. Our smart logic system gives you the capability to have different text message responses for use cases like after hours, vehicle not available, having a different response for a true car lead than a subprime finance lead, as well as the ability to have an automated text follow-up sent if the customer doesn't respond in a set amount of time. We also have our calls functionality. With Selly Voice, we hook up to your existing phone system and allow you to record inbound and outbound calls. Recorded calls are great for giving coaching advice to rookie sales reps or helping defuse a customer complaint. This is our Facebook module. You can communicate with Facebook Marketplace leads, Facebook business page leads, or even Facebook chats. And we also have an easy way to set up user permissions for Facebook, so you don't need to worry about linking your salespeople's personal Facebook profiles to your business page. In the Settings module, we have desktop notification management, third-party configurations, localization in 11 languages, user permissions, and all the settings you'd expect in a CRM. We also integrate with many of the DMS systems like Fraser, Auto Manager, and many others. Thanks for taking a look at the web version of Selly. You can use it on any computer, whether Mac or Windows, as it's cloud-based. Test drive Selly today to see why we're one of the fastest-growing CRMs in the US and Canada.